Hello guys. In this video it is just a general ideas and thoughts about precious metals, and the thing I'm speaking always about the stock market is the stock market is the easiest way to invest and make money. The easiest. Now I give you an example. Let's say you want to buy gold or silver, like for the coins or for bars or wherever. And some people, they say always what's the thing they say is that gold or silver or whatever always has a value. Okay. Now, the problem is that when you buy from stock market, you buy silver, like an ETF, which is SLV, or you buy gold index, which is GLD. These are following the prices of gold and silver in the real market. Okay? But in the stock market, it's so good. You don't have to buy physical things in order to own things. If you're interested in silver or gold or precious metals, or you have a lot of information or a lot of background in precious metals, and you know, maybe you are a coin collector, or you are following, or you are buying and selling coins, now for stock market it's easier. And the whole companies of gold and silver and whatever you want, you find them in stock market. Okay? If you see that gold market is going up, you just check some companies that are strong, that are good, and then just buy them, either for investing for the long run. I mean investing for investment for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, or 30 years, or for trading. It's the same thing. Now, also you find all the companies, financials, drug companies, railroads. It means whatever thing you can imagine, you can find in the stock market. And all the companies that are public are there. You don't need to buy something like real estate. If you're interested in real estate, you can go and buy REITs, which are real estate trust funds, and you can just buy them, okay, without going and buying a land and you wait 10 years or 20 years and then you sell it. Maybe you can find a buyer or not. Okay, in the stock market, the good thing about the stock market, it is immediate market. It means you can buy now, you can sell now. This is the most important thing. That's why I like the market. Is this easiness in doing business. You don't need to hold coins, or I see things that sometimes it makes me just sad to see these people. I see someone on YouTube, because I like coins. I don't collect really, but I like coins. I like to check. So I see someone who has some boxes of coins, and he says they are pennies, they are in copper or something, and he says this is my retirement. Now I counted the boxes. Each box is $25. I find, okay, it's like about 40 boxes. It's like $1,000. And I say to myself, this guy is not living in this world that we are living. He said this is my retirement. How can you retire with 1,000? It means I don't understand. except when you are living in the wild or in a forest, and you do like those survivors. They go there in the wild and they stay there, you know, in the way they choose. Anyone can choose whatever he wants to do in his life. Okay, now going back to our subject, which is the stock market makes easy for us to buy whatever we want from the market. And this is one of the best things that you can imagine in a market. Okay, if you are interested in real estate, you go there, you find companies, you find they buy and they sell. So you buy shares of these companies, and if they go up, they give dividend, you will make money. If you are interested in banks, you do the same. If you are interested in insurance, you do the same. And Warren Buffett, he bought Geico, which is an insurance, and he bought drinks like Coca-Cola. You know, it's a thing in the stock market that it is so easy. Sometimes you don't imagine that you can buy a new company, a small company that just, and this company is not that expensive now, $10 or $15 or $20, but after a few years you will see it going into $20 or $30 or $50 or $100, $200. I have given you an example before. I trade this stock, but I don't invest in it because I don't invest that much. So I made a video or 2 or 3 about this stock, which is called PCYC. I don't know if now it exists, but a few years ago it was $3. In 1.5 years or 2 years it goes to $265. Can you imagine that? Where have you seen a business goes so wide from $3 to $265 in 1.5 years or 2 years? Where have you seen that? This is the stock market. It means if you have an opportunity to make money, you will make money that you will never make in any other place. And it's ready. You buy and sell, and you don't worry about where you put your shares. Everything is all online, and it has a value. If the value goes up, you make money. If the value goes down, you lose money. And this is business. Not all the businesses succeed, and understand that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you have insights or things that you want to discuss about the stock market in general and what you can buy, and please comment or send me a private message. Always you can see my email and my website on the top of the description. You just send me an email and we can go from there. Thank you very much.